Hey, it's Chidori, and I'm here with G-Dogs, and wherever he is, but like there he is. Okay, but like I was saying before, I was gonna try to get to some online spots, with that moon jump thing, or without it. That's what I'm saying. And I got under here, and all I can say is it involves using the hover ships. I bet you already know what it is if you do the certain glitch at Ghost Station. But it's kind of hard, and yeah, but I'm kind of exploring this little place. Not that much solid. Oh, hold up. I think I can make it if I charge boot from right here. Yeah, boy. Okay. Yeah, that's a glitch, and I guess this was found by Chidori. Or like a new way, I don't know. But I'll see you guys next time.